Are you worried about cleaning your air ducts? Do you want to clean, disinfect and deodorize your equipment and other personal protective equipment? Well, look no further. You have found the solution already. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be telling you about Sporicidin, which is exactly the kind of product you need if you are a clean freak. Sporicidin disinfectant products are good to use according to the FDA, EPA and OSHA guidelines. They are available in spray, solution and wipes. They are recommended to be used in homes, offices, hospitals, schools, hotels, public toilets, in short everywhere which would be cleaned. Sporicidin is recommended. Sporicidin disinfectant products provide 100% kill of disease and odor-causing organisms on hard and non-porous surfaces. That's right, not 99.99%, but complete 100%. They also prevent mold and mildew growth. They are recommended for use on floors, walls and ceilings in areas damaged by water, smoke and sewage. Sporicidin disinfectant solution is approved for cleaning air ducts and decontaminating carpets. RC Duct Cleaning. We use the newest technology to clean your air duct and ensure that your family is 100% safe from unnecessary health issues. This is how we use our new fogger machines to ensure that your air duct is completely clean and eliminate mold and bacteria. Sporicidin is registered by the Environmental Protection Agency to provide up to 6 months of continuous residual bacteriostatic activity after it is applied to surfaces. Sporicidin products are highly recommended for air duct cleaning. Before treating your air ducts with Sporicidin, thoroughly inspect the air duct system and complete any needed repairs. Mechanically clean air ducts in accordance with industry guidelines to remove gross filth and contaminants. Vacate area to be fogged. Fog into the pre-cleaned ventilation duct system and allow Sporicidin to air dry. And remember, do not rinse. Sporicidin products are very effective against misting and dust, water and flood damage, sewer backflow, dirty carpets and contaminants and odor. It is non-corrosive to surfaces including plastics, latex, vinyl, glass, wood and metal. Moreover, it is registered in all 50 states of the United States. But, remember that in accordance with OSHA regulations, you might need to use some respiratory protection before fogging or spraying it. Just a precaution to keep you safe from chemical hazards. RC Duct Cleaning now provides you the complete package that we commit to you and properly installs this product into your air duct vents to help eliminate mold and bacteria. Give us a call and book your appointment today.